Alright, here's another update. So now the axle's gone. I got it off. Got it out of there. Now it's over here. Waiting to get new springs and everything. So those are out. That's out. I got the old bushings out, which is in another video, but the bushings are out. And I won't replace those until I get done welding the front end and the chassis here. Okay, so now it's completely open underneath. So now I can get down underneath and I'll show you where the real rust is. Not just in this spot. You've probably seen all the other videos. This is where the rust really is. When you come down underneath and you look at the cross member, you can see here, she's pretty rusty here. So this is where main of the welding is going to be taking place, down here. And then there's a couple little spots, I think that's supposed to be there, but little spots along the chassis. I'm going to be welding up plates, making plates and covering those up. But the important part is when I'm going to be replacing this, which I'll update in other videos, is that you just don't cut this, you cut up past to where you get some nice clean thick metal. So once you get the thick metal, then you can make a template. And what I normally use is a beer box, actually a beer can box that you buy like a case of beer and everything. So the reason why I'm not going to be replacing the whole cross member is because this part, where this is, where the steering piece is solid. It's all solid through here, and I don't really want to take this out and mess up the geometry or anything like that by cutting the whole front end off. So I'm going to leave that how it is and then just fix everything around it. And here's another crack going down through to where the shackle is, would go, and back. So I'm going to take off the bump stops here as well. So those are the plans. Those are the big plans. The reason why I'm taking apart the whole front end of the truck is so I can get to this a lot easier to fix. And then so once this is fixed, we should be all good in the front area. And another reason why I'm not replacing the whole thing is that the top is perfectly solid. Like the top part, all through here, all of this is perfect through here. It's got some surface rust, but that's it. So mainly all the rust is just down underneath on the bottom. And then when we move back to here, the chassis again starts getting real solid again, all the way towards the back. But I'm going to be stopping probably here to the first outrigger forward. I'm going to clean up and also end up painting it and cleaning and rust converter and everything. So that's the plans. So now you got to see where the real rust is. And I'll give you updates as I go. Bye-bye.